So here we are, one of the example of pre-acquisition profits or post-acquisition profits. Okay, we have two balance sheets of holding company and subsidiary company. Okay, H limited here means holding company and S limited here means subsidiary company, and we have their balance sheet in which equity and liability head is given, in which there is share capital. Okay, शेयर कैपिटल में क्या है, 15,000 अमाउंट है होल्डिंग कंपनी का और 10,000 अमाउंट है सब्सिडरी कंपनी का. एंड व्हाट इज रिटन ओवर हियर, 10 per share. It means 1500 shares of 10 each in case of holding company and 1000 shares of 10 each in case of subsidiary company. Okay, I have circled this value because this is very important for you to use this value while doing calculation. Okay, this is not so you cannot simply add this, you have to do a calculation of this value. Okay, so this is why I have circled this. Next we have reserves head में आपके पास profits are given, in which holding company is having 3,000 rupees profit, and same in case of subsidiary. I have also circled this value because it will be used in calculation. आप simply इसे कहीं नहीं लिखेंगे, it will be used while doing calculation. Okay, next is current liability. दोनों कंपनीज की मेंशन है, 5,000 in case of holding company and 2,000 in case of subsidiary company, and the total is 23,000 and 15,000. Okay, next is assets. Asset sides में you have 11,000 in case of holding company and 15,000 in case of subsidiary company. Okay, and 900 shares in S Limited. This is an investment which is done by holding company in subsidiary company. होल्डिंग कंपनी ने सब्सिडरी कंपनी में 900 शेयर्स में इन्वेस्ट किया है और वो अमाउंट है इन्वेस्टमेंट का 12,000. तो पहले आपको ये देखना है कि सब्सिडरी कंपनी के पास कितने शेयर्स हैं. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा, यहाँ से पता चलेगा.